Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a poll on Instagram story. So guys, first of all, let's just create a story on our Instagram. We can tap on your story right here, and then we can select a photo or video from our gallery that we want to upload as our story. And for example, I'm going to upload this photo, so we can tap on this photo. Then if you want to create a poll, we can simply tap on the sticker button. Then you can select the poll option, this one. Tap on the poll option, then you can ask a question. For example, I'm going to ask which one do you prefer? Okay, and we can put the option. I'm going to put 1 and 2, and after we're done, we can click on the done button. Okay, then I'm going to adjust the position of this poll. You can also zoom in or zoom out, and I'm going to place it right here. Then after that, we can simply tap on your story to share this poll to our Instagram story. Okay, and now the poll is being shared to our Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a poll on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.